Good morning, Lakewood. It's a beautiful day. Tingnan niyo yung mga yung aming mamaya bababa ako. I just want to show you the beauty of this is our cherry blossom in this place. And I'm going to buy coffee before I start working. Ganda, no? Ganda, ganda. Ganda. Guys, I'm here. I'm going to buy coffee. Kasi, oops, ano yun? Hindi maganda yung aking Okay, hold on. Can I have skinny vanilla latte? 4 shots.
What size? I'm sorry.
Grande. No. Make it venti. Skinny vanilla latte. 4 shots, venti. That's it.
Okay. This is going to work for you.
Yes.
Okay, we'll see it. Thank you.
Thank you. Okay. Ayan. Nakabili na po ako ng kape. Kanina nagtago yung lalaki kasi nga ako ay naka-video. Sige, mamaya ng konti kasi alam niyo naman, minsan ayaw na pakita mamukha nila. Ayan na. Paalis na. Okay, ayan na ako. Ayan na. So look, nandito tayo ngayon. I just bought my coffee, Starbucks. I'm just showing to you. Napakaganda po ngayon dito sa aking sa Lakewood. Every year, well, before I always take a picture ng lugar na to. So, eto na po. Nakakuha na po ako ng kape. Magkape na tayo. Wala, sabi niya? Made with love. Okay. We made with love daw. O sige. Lalabas ako saglit. Okay. Oh my goodness. Lilipat ang Barnes & Noble dito. Guys, this is my favorite bookstore. Meron siyang dito banda malapit sa sinehan. But they're gonna move here. I'm so happy. Nice. Very, very nice. O, diba? O, yan. Ito mas maganda pag ganito. Diba? Ang ganda. Kita niyo yan, Naka-pink. Pink yan kaya alam mo kasi against the sky. Ito, papakita ko sa inyo. Against the sky. Ganda, no? Ganda. Yan ang cherry blossom namin. Kahit hindi ako pupunta ng anywhere, just we have this pink one. I'm happy.